Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Doc channel. Well, guys, I am speechless. I am bloody speechless. Okay, I am making video in every corner of my room, you can see. Why? Because I think the boycott is really live. Okay, I made a video where I requested not only the contributors but also the buyers to boycott Shutterstock. And boy, oh boy, did they receive my message. I hope they did. Okay, if this is the trend, we can bring Shutterstock down to its knees. Right? So I showed you a video in which I got huge sale from Adobe stock. I got back-to-back sales from Dreamstime, and now it's time to show the magic in EyeEm. Okay, guys, see over here. I just opened my account casually, and you can see, boom. Congratulations, you sold 5 photos 2 days back, and it's now past midnight. Okay, 12:45. So I'll be releasing this video today itself, that is Saturday, but it happened 2 days back. So just after the horrible Shutterstock announcement, so people are moving away from Shutterstock. The buyers are the one who can actually bring them to their heels. If you don't buy from Shutterstock, if we won't contribute to Shutterstock, they will know their place. Okay, so I had to share this update with you. So now I sold 5 photos altogether, and now I have reached my payout in EyeEm, right? So you can see in EyeEm now the minimum payout balance is $10. Previously, you can see you could have drawn out any amount in EyeEm, but they made minimum $10, and thanks to those 5 sales recently, I have reached my payout. So now I will draw this payout in front of you guys. So I will just enter my password. Hit next, and then I need to connect my EyeEm PayPal account. There'll be people running behind me. Okay, I don't care. I'm making this video. I don't care if everyone sees me because I'm excited. So next, it's connected. shibu7213@gmail.com, and I hit payout. Boom, payout requested. You will receive a mail as soon as the payout has been successfully transferred. Okay, that's it guys. It was about new sales at EyeEm. I'm excited. If this happens, if this continues to happen, the boycott continues to happen, we can win the war. So please support us. Please boycott Shutterstock, and please do not buy from Shutterstock. Okay. I hope all of you get sales in all other agencies like I did in EyeEm, and wish you all the best, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.